everybody, Steve LG here with my channel Sustainability Speaking. Today is a cold day, about 7 degrees Celsius for a high. That's a little chilly compared to the day we had yesterday and the day before. However, it's a good day to make a turkey soup. As a matter of fact, I have some ingredients that go into a turkey soup in the fridge that are just about to go bad. So let's get started. So this is morning. 4 cups. And the reason I'm doing this now is I like to use fresh cold water. I like to let it sit for a few hours and allow the water temperature to warm up rather than using the stove to do that. Okay, so there's 12 cups so far. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Stopped at 1 cup left. So it's 15 cups of water. You can see the condensation on the pot. It's cold water. I'll just set it over here on the stove. Allow that to come to room temperature during the day. So for turkey soup, of course, you'll need a source of turkey. We have a local grocery store with a nice little butcher shop, and they're creative with their products they sell. For example, here is a turkey back. It's just under $3. And so that's Renko's in Thunder Bay. Renko's. Another frozen ingredient I add is the corn bits. I have a nice yellow onion. Tail end of a bag of potatoes just starting to go soft, so we're going to use that in the soup. A carrot that's just starting to look a little rough here. That'll be a good use for that carrot before it starts going bad. And similarly, a stalk of celery that's still okay, but I like to use it up as well. A few legs of that. And about a dozen peppercorns. 1 pouch of egg noodles. And that takes care of the ingredients. The purpose of my channel, Sustainability Speaking, is to provide ideas with things you can do and at a low cost. So I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get going. What I'm going to do, as well, the turkey's still frozen, I'll let it sit in the water and soak in the colator. Those 2 pieces. Okay, they need to be washed. So I'm not wearing my gloves for this step because I'm going to rinse everything one more time. Of course, it'll be boiled again. See, just starting to go rough, so let's use, of course, compost material. As a matter of fact, if you want, you can use the thick side of this if you're not good at portioning that. Let's see. like that. So I'm just going to give this a quick rinse, and well, hold my knife at an angle, just drawing it along the carrot. That's all you need. Tip off, that end off. I'm going to rinse the carrot and this board. Nice pieces. I'll dice the rest of it. There it is. We add the peppercorns to that too. I like that. Okay, I'm glad I'm wearing my gloves again. That's all compostable. I have a temporary compost hold I use, just an ice cream pail for now. There's a nice portable composter they had at Canadian Tire. It was had a green lid, but a stack of compostable containers for kitchen scraps, just like this. I use a paper bag, which I just haven't just put in here. Usually that's what I do. So, but this isn't about composting. Get nice wedges, cut it diagonally once, and across for a variety of portions. Okay, potato. I'll de-skin it. Similar fashion I did in the borscht video. Just give the potato a rinse. You know where that's going? I'll just give the board a rinse again. It's ready to be turned into cubes. And then 1 centimeter 3/8 inch spacing. Nice sized cubes for soup. You can also use one of these neat things. Okay, I'll leave that for adding to the broth. So for turkey soup, you can use egg noodles, or I decided to go with pasta today. I've overfilled a 1 cup portion of pasta. So whatever your preference is, there are your options. Alrighty, I've boiled the noodles. added 2 cloves of garlic so they can soak up that flavor and not really affect the flavor of the turkey in the soup. What I'm going to do right now is let the turkey pieces cool so I can clean the meat from them. Rinse my plate with hot water so it doesn't crack. Oh. Drain. There's the turkey pieces. The nutrient has been extracted from the bone marrow. That's really where the best nutrient is coming from, not just the meat. So I'll put a lid to that. And this can go into the soup. Technically I could even add the vegetables. Don't forget the peas. Corn, I should say. Be careful not to splash yourself, of course. There it is. And we'll let that simmer. Alright, the broth is finished boiling. I'm about to add the turkey. Cut bits of meat from the turkey and add that. Turkey back. So yeah, this is being discarded. So butcher shop, well the store Inco, they privately owned, so they have the flexibility of doing creative things like this. And it's a nice help for somebody living on a budget. It's practically everybody these days. These gloves are just great. I give it all a little squeeze. I don't feel any bones. So it's all safe meat there. But you can see it's a bit of work. For $2.90, you gotta pay somewhere. So pay in time for preparation. And sustainability speaking, we're not wasting a valuable part of an animal that is a food supply that otherwise would have been wasted, and that was sad. Of course, butchers, grocery stores are private. I've done this before. It's nice to see that someone still does it. Turkey soup, gobble gobble. Sustainability speaking. Turkey soup, sustainability speaking.